In the year 2015, the Indian population was more than 1 billion, with the youth comprising a vast part of the count. However, lack of education and proper training made the youth of this nation unprepared for employment. This lack of skill training resulted in us lagging behind other countries in terms of formal skill training. Something effective and urgent was the need of the hour.
अपने पांच बाहुबल के द्वारा, अपने उंगलियों के हुनर के द्वारा, अपने कौशल्य के द्वारा विश्व का हृदय जीत सके, ऐसे नौजवानों का सामर्थ्य हम तैयार करना चाहते हैं।
Therefore, Skill India took birth in 2015 with an objective of harmonizing various skill development initiatives across the country for better efficiency. With its heart in the right place, Skill India aimed at empowering the youth of India in spite of all the prevailing social and geographical differences. In the last 1 year, Skill India, led by Shri Rajiv Pratap Rudy, had covered a lot of ground in streamlining India's skill ecosystem and has really impressive figures to show for it. 1.04 crore people trained in 2015-16. 267 private skill training partners imparting training to over 80 lakh. Apprentice training increased by 15%.
12 years of school education is very important. लेकिन 12 वर्ष की शिक्षा शायद आपको रोजगार ना दिला सके, लेकिन 12 हफ्ते की ट्रेनिंग आपको रोजगार दिला सकता है, और यही माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का अभियान है।
Number of ITI institutes increased to more than 13,000 with a staggering 18.65 lakh seats on offer. A number of skill imparting schemes were initiated to give an opportunity to our citizens to showcase their skills on the world stage. Under the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana scheme, financial assistance was provided to motivate young people to get skilled and earn a better livelihood. More than 19 lakh candidates were trained in the first year across 29 states and 6 union territories in over 500 job roles. MSDE entered into partnership with 14 central ministries like Railway, Defence, Health, Power, etc., under which numerous skill centers have been opened utilizing existing infrastructure. Our coverage. Our schemes were regulated nationwide and covered the entire country. Our accolades. And with the Indian contingent winning 8 Medallion of Excellence at the World Skills International Competition in Brazil, our resolve was further strengthened. Our global collaborations. Technical collaborations with countries like USA, UK, Canada, France, Germany, etc. helped us keep abreast of the best practices worldwide. In addition to this, Skill India has also ensured ISO 29990 validation standards for trainees, making them employable not only in India but overseas as well. Today, as we speak, Skill India is well on its way to fulfilling the dream of making India not just an empowered but also the skill capital of the world.